may look like a regular backpack to you, but what's inside may mean a lot more to mothers and children who are displaced by the LA wildfires in California. I'm Paris Flanagan, your San Leandro Parish reporter, and I spoke to an Ornerville woman and her husband who traveled nearly 2,000 miles to California to get these bags delivered to mothers in need.
So here's the kit. Super innovative because A, if your child were to throw up, you have this cool thing. And inside this cool thing is a throw-up bag.
Jillian Coburn wears many hats.
I was a teacher at one point in my life.
She's also an advocate.
I passed House Bill 492, which opened up the statute of limitation for all childhood sexual survivors.
And let's not forget, she's a mother.
And my entire truck is filled with mommy go bags. I'll show y'all.
Now a businesswoman after an accident in an airport.
Our son threw up all over me. I'm like, where are the wet wipes? Like, are you kidding me? You guys don't sell what? Do you have a t-shirt I can buy? Like, I was so mad. Got on the plane. No airlines had anything to distribute to me. And so I designed the Mommy Go Bag because it was a need. I didn't realize a lot of people had motion sickness. And so.
But her business crashed during COVID. Not knowing what was next, she said God led the way.
He's like, you're going to ride for 8 days with your husband in a car. You're not going to like it, but you're going to bless so many people.
Jillian and her husband, Lonnie Coburn, traveled nearly 2,000 miles to deliver the Mommy on the Go bags to mothers in need who were affected by the wildfires in California.
I personally wanted to help.
The self-designed bags are packed with meds, wipes, basic items, and essential needs. Sending those Mommy Go bags over there, how does that make you feel?
That like warmed my heart. And you have the ability to give, you should give. It's in the Bible too.
Now, Jillian tells me that she hopes she can start an organization and continue the work that she's doing in California and help those women, those mothers affected by the wildfires in California. She also plans to help those who are affected by homelessness in the Golden State. But for right now, reporting in San Leandro Parish, I'm Paris Flanagan, your San Leandro Parish reporter, KETC TV3.
Scripps News.